Hi students, I'd like to invite you to take CIS-30E, which is Advanced Python. If you took my class CIS-30A in the last few semesters and you enjoyed it, I think you would like CIS-30E a lot. It will cover frameworks, library, expanding on how to work with data, working with database, and to really make the program more efficient, building applications and web applications. So if you like to sign up for the class, it is registered as a face-to-face course. However, I will be using Zoom to stream. So for those of you who live far away and you like to be able to take the course, but you're unable to be on the campus, you can still sign up for the course. I will have live Zoom session and Zoom recording. So if you can sign up for the course, I appreciate it. Looking forward to have you in the fall. Thank you.